Well, we got some good news. The lovely people over at CCXT have already um, made this fetch open high low close pagination from Binance, and I guess here is a fetching the information continuously. So ticker continuously. So I guess what I need to do is go through all of these examples and like these things and just see if it applies to Bybit. Well, actually, I probably don't even need to do that. But here, it's interesting. So it works. The thing here, though, is that it prints it like this, and it just prints and prints and prints and prints and prints. So, trying to think of how I could do this in NumPy. I would have to figure out a way to calculate how many candles there are between this time and the ending time. And then I'd create a NumPy, an empty NumPy array that's that big. The only thing is I don't think I could do this through Numba because it needs this information comes back as a list. And this is also not Numba. Oh wow. Multiple symbols continuously? Hmm. Anyways, we got the information we need. Now it's time to turn this into. I wonder if I can just do this. Oh, that looks like you have to do it all. Now I'm wondering how to get that progress bar. Anyways, we got it. Also, I'm realizing that CCXT has this gigantic section of examples for bot here. This is the pro stuff here. And so I just realized that this is a gigantic uh this is a perfect gigantic section of videos. I could literally go in here and be like, I could literally just go in here and make each one of these things. Wow, 3 years ago? I could make a whole bunch of these things a video. I wonder if there's a way to sort this thing in some type of order. Yeah, 6 years ago, 10 months ago, 5 months ago. I guess also async, oh basic. Bitstamp create limit by order, create order, cancel order, create fetch order, book order, Binance batch orders, conditional orders, market order quote, test order, cancel order, pay order. There's nothing in here for Bybit. Bybit conditional order 2 years ago. Bybit positions. Bybit updated. Oh shit, what is all this? swap fetch balance spot. Anyways, there's a lot in here. And so all I need right now is to just do this. Comment this out here. There we go. I had to figure out how to get the progress bar to show up in vector BT. Over here. Show progress bar true. Oh. Show progress bar true. I want to copy that. So that means we have to open up. And we need to go here. What? Show progress bar. So we got 1, 2, 3. Where are we even at? Okay, we're inside a download symbol still. So let's see. Gorgs will override keyword arguments passed to Binance data.download symbol. So return data frame here. So here with disable not show progress bar as p bar set description. P bar. Where's p bar at? Oh, as p bar with as p bar set description. Okay, so at least we know where the progress bar is. We will add that later. But for now, we need to do something like this, which is custom data, custom CCXT data. A class method, download symbol. So I need to basically do this, download symbol, and then I need to do this. So inside of download symbol, I need to put this. Except without these printed things here. So, I mean, it's class Binance data, class that downloads. So let's try this. Whoops. Wait a minute. What is this? Download symbol. um. So from here, copy this, go over here. Oh, fuck it. Inside of I think so. The way he has it set up is he has vector BT, then he has the backtester, and inside of that he has this data. Oh, so the base is a data class. And then inside of here you have this is going to be data. I wonder. So now I'm wondering for me, do I make data its own folder? Because we'll also need to use this data to continuously get the data. So it's going to be its own thing. So here we have quant, from quantfreedom.backtester import whatever, then from quantfreedom.data. Yeah, here from vectorbt.data. Yeah, I think I need to. Yeah, that makes sense. So here we just make a new folder called, and we put it inside of this. And oh, and here is how you include the all. Okay. So that means here. I wonder if, because the way he has it is obviously he has it ccxt data. So I think I need to do a class method. Well, yeah, I could do ccxt data. I think maybe what I could do is just call it ccxt bybit. So have each thing be its own, like bybit, ccxt bybit .py. Can I do that? Custom. I don't like the word custom. I don't think we need to have data. Here, uh, we'll just have data down there. Data. Here, we need the symbol. I don't have date time like, but I don't need that. This. inside of here, holy shit, what is this? Uh, what is this? Table? Oh, we don't need the table. We don't need this. We need move this, this. We're going to return the data frame. Polar's data frame. Oh, exchange. Big. Markets equals load markets. Why don't we use market? Oh, I think you just have to load the markets. Since equals start time exchange.parse. This needs to be since damn, how do I get it to stop? So we need a time frame. We don't need this. We need a start and end time. Something like we do not need an end time. How do I get it to stop? Question. think I need to also have a class method called like symbols, like print symbols or something like that. Um, how do I get it to stop? I guess there's other ones with pagination as well. Um, try time frame. Oh, hmm. I think it would have to be something. So this got 200. This got this. This got 31. So here I need to we fetched. So all. Oh, wait a minute. I wonder why it's 199. Why is it the first time through? Okay. So here I would need to do something like if the amount of candles to return from this time frame to this time, from this time frame to time frame end is less than 200, then send the end time. Um, so here I would have to do something like right before this. Oh shit. Right before this, I would have to do something like if the amount of candles between uh, this sense and the end time is less than 200 or 199, I guess, then send the end time. If not, then do this. Because you have to check before you do this fetch OHLCV. Then we have to send the params. Anyways, I'm going to go through this. So the way this needs to be tested is first, I need to figure out how to do a start and an end. Just doing the Bybit exchange fetch OHLCV. I know I have to send symbol, time frame, since, and then I also have to send the end time. So here, we do have to send the end time. So end. Here, so one of the things I'm realizing here is that I am, where are we at? I'm going to have to be able to go into here and time frame Bring dictionary key. Wait, what? Where does it? Where? What? Interval. There is no interval. Time frame is 4 hours. 4 hours. Oh, time frames. Itself knows. What is 240? Is that 240 minutes? Wait, what is it? Okay, that's minutes. So self. Where is it getting the self from? Oh, from the exchange? The self is the exchange. Oh boy, how do I? Does that mean that I can? Can I do this? Because I can do this. Okay, so I can do this. So, yeah, that doesn't work though, because the day, week, month, if somebody's downloading daily candles from this time to this time. I think I need to convert the minutes into milliseconds. And then, so I would need my own thing like this that counts how many milliseconds are in a month, milliseconds are in a week, day, 12 hours, 6 hours, 8, all this stuff. I'd need to create that. And then I'm gonna drink this water, brush my teeth, get ready for the morning, and then I'm just gonna solve this problem. This can't be that difficult. I feel like the answer is hidden, all is somewhere inside of here. Give your end time. End timestamp. Yeah, something like this. Fetch the key lines for the next interval. So you get this, you fetch if length of data is greater than 0. I think this is saying if D0 is greater than this and less than this, do this, else. Yeah, I think it's got to be something simple. data. What's interesting is that here the since is this minus this plus 1, whereas over here he doesn't have that plus 1, so you actually were getting some data twice. But so the difference here is you have this as next equals fetch, and here you have this equals this, and then you have if length of OHL whatever it is, um, this needs to be this is where it needs to be the this thing. So here this all plus equals this. Um, So this part right here is I would need to be able to send the params here and then do sense the and then params equals end, else just do sense. Oh, wait a minute. He's doing some type of filter thing? What? Um, Actually, I may have to do some. I think I'm gonna have to do some type of calculation. I don't know why I can't think right now. I just realized I'm so stupid because this is why it's important to step away from the computer. Shh. It's because you can always send the end time. No matter what, it's going to give you your limit. So all you have to do is shh. All you have to do is just constantly send your end time, but just update your sense time. That's it. And then eventually you will get to your end time. So all I have to do is figure out how to send the param for fetch OHLCV. So here, so I'll figure that out now. But you just send the end here. So here, I'm going to do this. Just do rams equals this. I guess since I'm only sending one thing, it's like that. So if I wanted it to be this, work. Wait, what? 2023-0101, 2023-0301, OHLCES. What? Wait, what? Why is what? Why is the end? Oh, wait a minute. Maybe there's actually exactly 200 candles between this time and this time. Maybe I need to go back more. I think that's probably what is the issue, so it might actually even be right. No? What? Wait, what? What is happening here? The first sense is 16, it should be 16.4. Oh, so the end date, if I send the params as end, do I have to send the sense? Oh, okay. So I just need the time frame. So what I need to do actually, shit. Yeah, I'll figure this out. This is so weird because it sends the if I send it to say like give me information from January 2021 as my start time and then I have my end time, it actually sends the end time first and then it goes backwards. And so what this does is it takes that information and it reverses it because this is the same exact information as so I sent this exact information over to here and so it stopped and it did the same exact thing and so um So yeah, I'm gonna have to do this since this is gonna be weird. So I changed this to end equals -1. And so we're constantly getting this this yes. Let's see what happens here. So this is so interesting because it seems to be downloading all the actual data. So here we get our first section, which goes from the right time all the way down to the very end. Right here gives our end. Then it goes back. It goes to the where it should have gone from the beginning, and fills in all of that all the way up to 2616. 2616. Because 20 would be next and then 10. So here we have 20. So we have 16, 20. So this is all the candle information. It's just not in the correct order. So how do I get it? Oh, that's because the end, we're starting with the parameters, the end, then we subtract it, and then we go back up to here, and then we do it again. Since we're fetching all this information backwards. So how do I fetch the information? So yeah, again, we start here. We get all the information. Then we start at the start time. Wait, 12:24. Yeah, then we go to 26. Then we go to 12:1. So we're doing it backwards. I mean, this is all the information. I guess we would just have to sort the... I guess we'd have to sort it. It's table. We'd have to sort by the date time. But it works. We just have to sort it. We'd have to sort it from earliest. How do you sort a list? All right, so we got it to work. So first we have this main function, you get the exchange. I just found out that get attribute, by reading, right, it does this is equivalent to x dot y. And so I saw that happening over here. I was like, how the hell does he get this exchange information? And then it's just this get attribute thing right here. And then here, what I was doing previously was I was running it without this. And I was like, what the hell's going on? It doesn't make any sense. But then I realized that you have to have this because that's what you have for Bybit. And I guess you could, I guess there's like parameters and stuff that you could put inside of there, but I guess it works. And so from here, you know, you have your since, you have your end. I guess I could just change this to start. And then yeah, so our start is this date. The only thing is that you'd have to make sure that you have it in this type of thing, which is perfectly fine. And then it prints out all this stuff, grabs all the information, then we sort all of it, and then boom, it's all here. It's all here. So there it is. We've got our data. We've got our time as the index. Open price, high price, low price, close price, volume. I wonder if I can get away with just doing open. Candle, is this the candle open? Candle open. And there we got it. There we go. There we go. There we go. So now I have to figure out how to do this progress bar thing, but who cares? Also, I put in the Discord here. You know, this is what I made the thing. I got no response. Classic. Classic, 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 classic. So now I have to turn this into the thing. Now I have to put this in here. Why is this like this? What? Why is it like that? Hmm? Oh. Data download. So CCXT data, class method, data download, string. I guess the end time, I guess I'd have to put an if statement here. If in, then just get the date time now. I guess. I'd have to get date time now. Oh yeah, I have to import pandas as well. It's typing stuff. So here, I guess we would need this in it, I guess. Freedom dot. I guess that's how that works. Oh, data dot. I guess I just have to have that because then it's gonna just import everything from data, right? Oh. Oh, this is annoying because now I have to also update the pro version. Oh, that's annoying. Let's see here if this is actually gonna work. Can this work? Fast. This. And we will freedom. UF. Okay. Then what am I? Oh wait. I want to do this. Import data dot custom. How did he do it? Import let's see. What? Oh, I had it open already. So the way he has it, ccxt data. So import. Wait, what? How do I have it? ccxt data. Data. All. Equals. Yeah. Okay, so does this work is the question. It's not working. Quant freedom utils dot formatting. Freedom dot data dot custom. Import ccxt data. Even more? Hmm. 'Cause up here it works for him. Hmm. Hmm. Saying CCXT is not accessed. Quant freedom dot data dot custom. How is this not accessed? How is it not accessed? How is his? Hmm. That's very wait. All right. Let's see. Why is it? Hello. Why? Pretty. Hmm. That's very weird. Am I missing something somewhere else? Why does this init look so crazy? Wait, what? Why does this? Why does my init look like this? It needs to look like this. Mm. Why doesn't it light up? Why doesn't it light up? Why does it light up? Stop. There it goes. Huh? Got multiple values for argument exchange. What? How? I did something wrong. Anyways, now I have to figure this out. Okay, I lied. All I needed to do, I guess, was add this CLS for class. So it's like, that's it. And then boom, it worked! Holy shit, it worked! Unbelievable. I remember that I'm gonna have to update the pro version as well as the free version. This is gonna be quite annoying. Trying to remember all this stuff, but wrapping. Um. So now, what do I need to do? Oh God, TALib. So now I have to look into uh, how you do TALib. TALib. I'm thinking that we might just have to say screw it and not do anything with TALib. But the problem is that so we could do because then how here it's like, oh man. Mm. Because here we have this like indicator factory dot from TALib SMA. then sma.run. I don't know. All right, so this is unbelievable. I just had two calls back to back with two people who are computer science students who are both interested in this subject of quant trading. One of them was kind of sort of interested. He seems like he's going to show up and do some work. But then the second guy was like, it's my dream to become a quant trader, and he really loves what we're doing. This is insane. And so it really got me thinking because both of them needed a little bit of help on just understanding Python and what they need to know in order to get this done. So that made me realize that I really need to put some effort. You can even see here that he's got his own branch. Unbelievable. Uh, uh, it made me realize that I really need to get this thing finished with the test. So we've got this. Then I need to learn how to do the TA lib with the RSI. Then once I do that and this free version part works, I need to go and really make the tutorial section. So I need to go through all of these by functions and cell functions and look to see where I am using NumPy, where I'm using pandas, and go over exactly what it is that they would need to know. I need to go over where is all of that stuff happening. Yeah, I need to go over NumPy like here. You know, understanding the difference between an array, then doing a array like. What is? I think I need to go over here. I need to go over pandas. So how to doing something like just making, literally just going through this code and looking for pandas or NumPy stuff. Also need to go through and well, I don't need to do anything with CCXT right now. So here, going over pandas, talking about how to sort from the index, how to set an index, how to change the date time. So each one of those things needs to be its own tutorial section, and how to create a data frame. And then where is this? Where is this? Here. Shh. And then inside of here, talking about as array, being able to divide by an array. So each and every single one of these things, setting the data type, all of these things need to be in there. Like what this one-dimensional array thing is, setting an empty array for zeros, slicing an array, calling an array by the date type name. All of these things need to be in the tutorial section. So that way, when those things are there, I can have people look at those tutorials and say, hey, they say, hey, I need to know a little bit about NumPy. I need to go and just do some research. So instead of me telling them go watch random YouTube videos, then I can just tell them watch those random YouTube videos on pandas. Well, no. What I would do at the very beginning of the tutorial is say, here is an overview of pandas. Watch these videos from that guy, Corey Schaefer. Then put together a NumPy list. Watch these videos. Then once you have a basic understanding of NumPy and pandas, then here are examples of how I'm using NumPy within the code, within Panda. And here's how examples of how I'm using pandas within the code. Creating an empty array with this data type. Uh, yeah, here's an example of, anyways, yeah, but yeah. Also, I'm realizing that with this whole pro version versus free version, I need to just say screw it and so what I'm gonna do is I am going to take this free version and I am going to finish it on the dev branch. Then I'm going to move it over to the master branch. And then I'm going to take all of this stuff from the pro version and I'm going to move that over to the dev branch. Which could possibly be extremely annoying. By that, I mean it's going to 1000% be super annoying. And then, well, yeah, it'll be fun because I will remove all the pro stuff and all this other stuff, and then what will happen is once I'm done with the pro version, this quote unquote pro version with all of the things from this simulate, once I'm done with this, then what I'll do is I'll delete everything from the main version of the free. I'll delete everything from the main version of the free, and then I will replace that with the dev version of this, and then that way I'll have the free version up to date, and the dev version will be up to date with this whole simulate thing. And then once that happens, then from there I can just keep building on the dev, because all of this stuff I just need to get it out there, get it to the people, and get it working and get it usable. And then from there, what I can do is, maybe like 3 people will actually be using this thing. I don't know. And then from there, once I can start to really figure out, okay, this thing is working the way I need it to, let me remove some functions, let me keep some functions, and I can decide all that. Then I can take that, remove all the commits, or even just delete everything. So I'll back up everything in another repository or whatever it is, and then I'll just delete everything from the free version thing. I'll put it into the pro version, and then I will take the stuff that I want to keep in the free version, and the pro version, But that's going to be such a possibly long time from now that I don't even know. But anyways, so what we can do now is test this whole like talib RSI. I don't even know how in the world to do this. RSI. Is this the way it's actually done? So let's restart this. Let's clear it. Let's run. We got the data. So then we do ta-lib dot indicate RSI. Then what happens from here? Dot what? How do you do this? Well, that didn't take that long. I just found this on the ta-lib website. Got the RSI equals this. So the RSI just comes back as a NumPy array. And then from there, you throw that NumPy array into a where. So ta-lib.rsi data.close.values. And we say it's less than 40. So where the RSI is less than 40, you put true, else false. So there we have it. We already have our true false values. So now I should, in theory, be able to just take that information and throw it into the Cartesian. This. So should be able to do this. Shit. Now I have to save this as a. We have to learn how to save. What? So here we need to do 2020 and 01 to 20 dash 02 to 23. I'll do 30 minutes. BTC USDT. So this should work, right? Holy shit. We really need to do that progress bar. Okay, so got the data. So now we need this. ta-lib installed. Yeah, we definitely need to do ccxt.save. So we got that, I got the data, we've got our entries. Oh boy. Oh boy. So we'll do this. Oh boy. This is getting pretty annoying. So now I'm gonna have to do quant freedom dot backtester dot items enum. Reload the thing, man. Reload the thing, man. Oh shit, I'm still recording. Oh no. Oh. Oh, okay. So we just so I guess we have to see, does the enums, does the order, wait a minute, order everything. Order everything has the stop losses. Okay. So I guess we just put all this up to here. And then cart from signals base. And then that's all I need, right? Glib is being used. I don't need CCXT. Um. Oh shit. Data dot values. Oh wait a minute. Is it called open prices? What? Oh no. No, it's open. So this is gonna be. Wait, do I need to send the values or do I need to send? Oh no, I just send the. Float object has no attribute size. Float object has no attribute size. Hmm? So I guess order everything. Oh shit. I need to change all of these to an array. Uh, so here we need to do. We need to change this to tp dot a. We need to do equals np dot array this, and then we need to go to the very end. We need to do that. Uh-oh. tp array like false. I don't even need this. Maybe I do. I really need to save. Whoop. I really need to save this data. Entries dot values. Entries. Entries dot values. I guess maybe I should do a smaller amount until this thing actually works. Um, oh, this shit again. Anyways, I need to go. We are very, very close. So tomorrow we shall um oh damn, they use polars. Get how to actually look inside of this stuff. Anyways, let's see if we can go and if I don't know why the Y doesn't work anymore. I think I had that same problem with this. If here we go. Why does that not work anymore? Why does that not work anymore? So we have to do that here. Also have to do that again down here. Hmm? or indicator. Hmm? Indicator settings counter. What? Total order setting, total indicator setting. Man, what the fuck is this? How do I not have the total order setting? Oh, I deleted this shit. For total order settings. Oh, maybe I think all I have to do. Total order settings is trailing stop loss. Well, why does this work? We are going to do a very tiny Okay, I'm done. I think the problem is that I went through and changed up enough of this cart function to where it Entries. For IDX name in enumerate entries. Oh, well, let's just. Can we get something returned? Anything? Get anything returned here? What is this about? Anyways, uh, wait, this one had a 1 to the upside? Oh, there's only 4 trades. Okay. So now if we do this, then we do this, and then do this. Wait, what? Then we come back here. So now it should actually work. Except we're just not going to have the indicator names. We had 21 trades, 17. Damn. Damn. Okay, it works. Anyways, so this looks like it works again, sorta. Um, the entries. We'll have to figure out how to send the RSI values. Um, I looked up, and here's how you can send the data.close as a pandas data frame, or you can send it as a polars data frame. And so here we'll have the time periods. And so I guess what I can do in order to set up the Cartesian is I would have to set up I could just do like iter tools product of the Cartesian values that people send in of the time period as well as this below thing. And then from there, I would just run it through a double for loop. So the first loop would be the well, hmm. Let's see here. So here we have the close, we have the window. So I guess this runs first. Then after that, we have this RSI below that runs based off that. So I guess we'd have to do them separately. So I guess I'd have to do like qf.talib.rsi.run, something like that. I guess that would be a class method or something. So I guess over here, we'd have to look up talib. I guess this is what this is. So class method from talib. Well, what is this? What? Oh my God! What is this class? This is from Indicator Factory. Well, I guess there seems to be a lot of information on Indicator Factory. Oh, run combos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't understand why this is so fucking stupid. Why not just use goddamn real information instead of this dumb shit? What does any of this mean? But basically, I'm gonna have to build this thing where basically you can combine multiple different indicators together, I guess. Indicator factory also provides a class method for indicator factory from TALib that can be used to wrap any function from TALib. It automatically fills the necessary information such as input parameters and output. But then when you click here, it's like I guess that makes sense. Indicator factory from TALib, SMA. You give it your time period, 2 and 3, and you run the SMA. So I guess we need to start from here. So tomorrow we'll do this. Um, I think. Or do we do some like a simple Cartesian, or do we do like a simple iter tools and then just run it this way? Because at least over here you have SMA time period 2, 3. Then you have A, B, A, B. Because if I want to send it, well, I mean, I'm gonna have to do this anyways, and so I don't know which one would be easier. Going through this and seeing how he does the Cartesian product for all this stuff, or just trying to figure out the Cartesian product by myself of this. Do I make my own Cartesian product? Because I'm not going to give it multiple. Wait a minute. My entries were multiple entries. So shit. Well, we could just run that on the free VBT. Oh, shit. I actually can't do that. Well, yeah, tomorrow we will figure out the Cartesian product and then add that to create my own function that does something simple. And then from there, we'll move forward because there's like 50 million things that need to get done. Yes, yes, because what? We already have this download data, data download. So now we need to build something that is like this because according to I don't even know where I was testing that stuff. Where was I at testing this? Oh, yeah, according to this, wait, where is that? Here. What I'm assuming is that what happens is the from TA lib and then you put in SMA. So then all it does is do this, and then you can, I would assume that's what this is. And then SMA dot run grab, I don't know. Anyways, we'll look into it. I'm hungry still. But it's, I don't want to say it's an easy concept, but it's an easy concept to understand. I could do it through iter tools and do it like that. Um, but I guess I should just, yeah, I'm just gonna look.